Let me tell you about a lad I know, soon to become a man for sure. Okay, 18 today. Here's a letter for my grandson, looking back at the things we've done. Okay, I say, I've seen sun and I've seen rain, many times upon a jet plane to Spain. Adios. At Thornton on the water on a sunny day, watching the penguins splashing away. Okay, I say, stuck on the rubble at Crickleo Park, signals to Grumpy for some help. Okay, I'm on my way. I've seen sun and I've seen rain, many times upon a jet plane to Spain. Adios. Trophies and medals with a smiling face, proudly standing on the bookcase. Okay, I say, wind assisted 10.6 goes to show you're really, really quick, Pablo. Go, go, go. I've seen sun and I've seen rain, many times upon a jet plane to Spain. Adios. How can I describe our Pablo? Sensitive mind, competitive edge, I know. Let's go. Crazy golf in the afternoon, playing chess in the front room. Checkmate. 10-pin bowling, can't wait. I've seen sun and I've seen rain, many times upon a jet plane to Spain. Adios. So, go and enjoy your party day with your family in your own way. I say, go and enjoy your special day. On your 18th birthday, go, go, Pablo. Go, go, Pablo. Go, go, Pablo. Go, go.